Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of WordPress Heroes, your #1 channel to learn about all things WordPress related. If you're new here, check out our curated playlist to help you discover all the helpful topics we cover on this channel. And now on to today's topic. What is WordPress? Think of WordPress like a house for your website. It provides the structure and framework to create and manage your website's content. At the core of WordPress is the foundation, like the foundation of your house. This is the main software that is installed on your web server. It's responsible for managing everything on your website, like how the walls and floors of a house hold everything together. The themes is like the decoration and design of your house. You can choose different themes for your website to change its appearance. Themes control how your website looks and feels, just like how you can change the colors and furniture in your home. Plugins are located here. Plugins are like add-ons or gadgets in your home. They provide extra functionality to your website, such as adding a contact form, sharing social media sharing buttons, or an online store. You can think of them as the tools and appliances that make your house more useful. On the back end, where all the data is stored, that is what we call the database. And in a house, you have closets and drawers to store your stuff. In WordPress, the database is where websites store all of its content, like text, images, and settings. It's like the storage space in your home. Your website's content, such as articles, images, and videos, is like the furniture and decorations in your house. You can arrange and customize them to create a unique and welcoming environment. WordPress also has users and roles which control access. Just as you have keys and locks for different rooms in your house, WordPress lets you control who can access and edit your website. You can assign different roles to users like editors or administrators to manage who can do what. Another key component as part of WordPress is the web server location. Now, your website has a domain name, and that points to your web server, and your web server serves up the contents to produce your website. Your house needs a physical location, right? Well, your WordPress website lives on a web server, which is like the land where your house is built. When people visit your website, they are connecting to this server to see your contents. So in simple terms, WordPress is like a framework for building and maintaining your website, again, content management system, with themes and plugins to customize it, a database to store your content, and tools to control who can access and change things. It's a software that helps you create and manage your online home. So in other videos, I will take us through the most important thing is how to keep your website secure. It's something that I'm very excited about to take you through, so I hope you come along on this journey. Thank you again for watching this video. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.